If your Shopify store is not converting, the problem might be your header and hero section. And in this video, I will show you how to design a clean professional announcement bar, header and hero section. Let me show you how I built this. Open your Shopify partner dashboard. Then select a theme. So I use Horizon theme. Then click on the announcement bar. You can edit it to anything that you want it to be. Upload the logo image. So once you are through with that, maybe based on my laptop, it's slowing down a bit. So to set the menu, click on menu box, then select main menu, then click on edit. So this is the menu items. So you can add any items that you want, like about, homes, catalog, contact, lead, and whatever you want to put there. So you will add it, and you will add a link that you want the menu direct to. So you can add as many as possible that you want, but just make it professional. So you can add like 4 to 5 menu items. So once you set it up, so you can direct it to anywhere you want on this session, then you click on save. So once these ones are set up, you want to add the hero section and hero content. So let's go to the hero section, click on the hero. So we want to change the hero content and the hero image. So select the image. So add the hero image, add the file, select on the image and click on done. So it will display at the screen. So you need to change the content, the hero contents, which here you can add it to, maybe you want it to be at the bottom, want it to fill the screen, or you want it as a page. So from here you can select it. So you can make some additional changes here. If you found the video useful, kindly like, subscribe and turn on notifications. I will be sharing more complete Shopify design so that you don't miss more simple tutorial like this very soon.